Is Steam running slow on your old PC? Don't worry. In just a couple of minutes, I'll show you a few simple settings that make it much faster and smoother, no upgrades required. First, open Steam, click on Steam in the top left corner, and go to Settings. Then click on Library. This is where most of the performance tweaks are located. Check the box for Enable Low Bandwidth Mode. This reduces the amount of data Steam uses to update your library and helps if it feels sluggish or slow when browsing your games. Next, enable Low Performance Mode. This simplifies animations and effects in your library, making everything scroll and load much faster without any visual clutter. Uncheck Show Game Icons in the left column. It removes extra graphics that Steam constantly renders and makes navigating your library snappier. Now, disable Community Content. This stops Steam from automatically loading friends' activity feeds, screenshots, and other community content, which can slow things down. After this, go to Friends and Chat and disable Show Animated Avatars and Show Animated Avatar Frames in your Friends list and chat. Your friends' avatars won't move around, but your PC will thank you with smoother performance while browsing your friends and chatting. Change Startup Location to Library. Finally, go to Settings Interface, Startup Location, and change it from the default store to Library. This way, Steam opens directly to your library instead of the store, which speeds up launch times and avoids unnecessary loading of extra content. Another tip is to enable Small Mode in Steam. This makes the interface more compact, reduces visual load, and helps Steam run smoother on weaker PCs. And that's it, just a few simple changes, and Steam will feel faster, lighter, and much more responsive on your low-end PC. If this helped, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming tips.